We have now introduced a really cool tool to generate a filling pattern. Let's see together how does this work. Having a jacket like this one with a ready quilted line, we just select all of the pieces that we want to fill. With the right click, we generate lining, defining the option Generate Filling Pattern. Software will create new pieces as a lining, and on the right side of the screen we have now the possibility to amend the filler according to our needs. So this means that what before was called pressure has been now improved and substituted by the filler. In terms of filler, we do work with duck and goose. We just need to define the weight. I will put 150 grams, and the quilting distance, which means the distance between the quilted lines that we have created. And when this is done, we can go in simulation. If you want to give an even more realistic result, how to do that? We just select all of the quilting lines where we want to give elasticity and go ahead with that. So I just show you the difference between one side which is elasticated, you see, the sleeves, versus the front, for instance. We can proceed giving elasticity as well to the front. And to the back. Here you go.